Imagine a country that's had to introduce 6 different currencies since 2008 in a bid to stabilize its economy. Can you fathom the level of uncertainty and instability that would bring? This is the reality for Zimbabwe, a nation grappling with a tumultuous economic landscape. Recently, Zimbabwe made a bold move, introducing a new gold-backed currency named ZiG, hoping to tackle its notorious inflation problem and bring much-needed stability to the economy. However, the transition to this new currency has been far from smooth. Businesses and government services have started rejecting the old notes even before the new currency is widely available. This premature shift has resulted in price hikes and a lack of change, causing difficulties for consumers who are already strained by economic challenges. Despite government assurances that old notes would still be accepted until the end of the month, many sectors have preemptively refused them. This move to the ZiG marks Zimbabwe's 6th attempt at launching a new currency since 2008, a stark reflection of the country's continuous struggle with currency instability. But this isn't just a story about numbers and currency changes, it's about the lives of everyday Zimbabweans who have to bear the brunt of these economic shifts. There is also a growing concern about the lack of consultation and education around the new currency, especially in rural areas. Zimbabweans, wary due to past experiences of currency devaluation, are skeptical about the success of the ZiG. The new governor, Mushayavanhu, initially a staunch believer in the potential of the ZiG, is now grappling with the possibility of its failure. This raises several questions about Zimbabwe's economic future and the effectiveness of its strategies to curb inflation and stabilize the economy. So to summarize, the introduction of the gold-backed ZiG was aimed at tackling inflation and stabilizing Zimbabwe's economy. However, the premature rejection of old notes, lack of widespread availability of the new currency, and the absence of adequate education around it have led to a challenging transition. This has resulted in a general skepticism about the success of the ZiG, with even Governor Mushayavanhu expressing doubts about its efficacy. Zimbabwe's economic situation remains precarious and its path to stability elusive. The question now is, will the ZiG be the solution Zimbabwe needs, or will it be another failed attempt at currency stability? Only time will tell.